My name is Ray Dombrowski. I'm a graphic designer, and a lot of what I do is designing t-shirts for surf apparel companies. One of the things I like most about what I do is traveling for inspiration. That can mean going on photo shoots, but that can also mean going to flea markets and thrift shops in search of vintage finds. That can also mean going to higher-end fashion boutiques, surf shops, museums, bookstores. A lot of people think designing a t-shirt is just about the graphic itself. But there's a lot of things involved that make a good t-shirt. There's all kinds of different fabrics, there's all kinds of specialty inks, there's all kinds of different printing methods. And how you combine all those elements with your graphic is what makes a good design. I'm teaching an online workshop all about t-shirt design. This is the first in a series of t-shirt design workshops. This class will teach you about the things you need to know to be a professional t-shirt designer. It doesn't matter if you want to design for men's or women's, or if you're into fashion or motorcycles or sports or music. This class will apply to anyone who's interested in learning more about t-shirt design. We'll talk about what makes a good t-shirt graphic. We'll also learn about specialty inks and specialty printing methods. I'll explain the different methods of color separation. I'll talk about the different methods of printing, like direct-to-garment, dye sublimation, and screen printing. Sometimes the best way to learn is just to get your hands dirty. In my favorite part of this workshop, I'll guide you through the whole process of screen printing a t-shirt. The more you understand the possibilities and options you have with design, the better a designer you'll be. The great thing about this workshop is it's online, so it's available anytime you'd like to watch, and you can go at your own pace. Sign up for my t-shirt design workshop. I think you're going to learn a lot of things you didn't know about t-shirt design, and it's going to be a lot of fun.